Hello, Paul Hamilton back here. This is the second, sequential lesson in getting our kids to be creative, think divergently, and invent and innovate as well. So if you can remember back to our last lesson, we had a little bit of a warm-up activity. We took a picture of our character here, which is a wooden mannequin. Let's call him, I think I called him Bob last time, let's call him Woody. And basically, we allowed our students to be creative and to think about what Woody could be holding. A very open-ended task, but really, open-ended in regard to allowing our students to be really clever with their ideas. We've got Woody holding a balloon, the world, and even Woody handling the hands of time. So we're going to move on from this one, and we're actually... I've placed Woody in a different position, a different, stance or posture. And let's think about introducing our kids to invention and getting our students to think about different devices and tools and machines that could work. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring in a photo that I've found, and you can find these on Google really quickly. And I've got here a rock. I'm going to enlarge and explain everything. I'm going to press done. I'm going to press the I down the left-hand side, and I'm going to set this picture as a background so it doesn't move. So I've got my picture as the background. Now it's time to bring in Woody with his new pose. So here we go. We'll bring him in. Have a look for him. There he is there, I think. You can see now in this one, I'm going to trace around him. This time Woody is kind of looking like he's holding something back or stopping something from falling. You can probably guess what that is. There we go there, press done, done again, bring him in, position him a little bit, and there he is holding the rock or stopping the rock from actually falling down. And the activity for today is, what is an invention or a tool or a device that could help Woody from making sure that this rock doesn't fall down the hill. Let's say that Woody's building a house down the bottom. We need a device. So we can allow our students thinking about the pen tool and getting our students to think about a device that could stop being really clever in regard to what we actually build. Let's bring in some grey and some over the line there, and actually building and actually coming up with some sort of tool that would provide support for keeping this rock from coming down, and just letting kids to be creative, letting them actually build and explain what they're building in regard to a machine that might be able to stop this rock from coming down. Allowing students to think about what they're actually going to make this tool from, this machine from, and what is the theory and the explanation behind it. So here's another really quick warm-up activity, but for this one we're looking at invention, a little bit more than divergent thinking and creativity, and it really allows kids to really get their creative juices flowing at the start of a lesson with iPads. Paul Hamilton here, signing off.